Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to view your friend's play history on your Nintendo Switch. So if you want to know if they've been playing a certain game or how long, what you need to do is go back to the home screen. So let's go back. Then in the upper left, let's go to my page, Timbo's page. Then we can see our friends list. Go to friends list, and then go to your specific friend. Let's go to Ethan. Select him. And then we can see he was playing YouTube and watching this for 105 hours or more. Then he was playing some of these demos like Pokemon Let's Go, 9 days ago. And what else has he been playing? Jump Rope Challenge. So you can see how long he's been playing that and about how many days ago as well. So you can see all the games in here. You can keep going down and down and down. So this person has played a lot of little demos and stuff. So you can exchange the friend code on the bottom there too. But you can make him your best friend here too. And then you can go to a different friend. You can see how long they've been offline for 14 days. And if it's offline, I think that's been offline for at least a month or more, or maybe like a year. But they haven't been online for a while. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.